Antoine Victor here with another screencast demo. In this demo, we are going to take a simple Java project. The code isn't what's important here. It's our Echo app demo. If you want to see how we created that, there's a video for that. See the link in the descriptions. But what we're doing here today is taking this Java project and sharing it with the rest of our team, potentially, by committing it to a remote repository, a remote Git repository. We're going to use GitHub for this demo. So if we flip over to the browser here, you can see I've already created a GitHub repository called Echo app. Here's our path here, and we will copy this path to the clipboard, and then we'll go back to our Java project, and in our Java project we'll make a couple minor changes. I'm just going to add a carriage return to the test class and a carriage return to our Java class, and then we'll save those changes. You'll notice down here that we have those changes now entered into our unstaged changes. We're going to move those into our staged changes, and we're going to add a commit comment to add code to remote GitHub repo. And we're going to choose commit and push. But before we do that, notice that over here in our Echo app, we have our local. Actually, that's right. This is our Echo app originally, where we moved over to our local Git demo local repository, where we've got our master branch there, no remote tracking, and no remote site. Here, we could do create remote, or we could do paste repository path, or URI. And you'll notice here that the path to our Echo app Git repository on GitHub is already here, and our username and password is already here because it's pulling it from the clipboard where we copied it just a moment ago. But I'm going to do all this in one step by committing and pushing our changes. I could add the remote repository separately and then push the changes later, but I'm going to do this all in one step. Commit and push. And it's going to ask me where the destination Git repository is, and you can see that same information has been copied from the clipboard. We have the remote name, origin, that's the default. We'll go ahead and leave that default. And the path to our GitHub repository. On the host GitHub, our repository path is ProDataMan Echo app, and our username is ProDataMan with our standard password there. Click next. It asks which branch that we want. We want the master branch, so we'll accept those defaults. And finally, push confirmation, confirming that we're going to push the following branch to our remote repository. And we will finish. And you can see down here it's pushing the code to our remote repository. And we have successfully pushed our results to github.com/prodataman/echoapp.git. So we have a successful push to our new repository. Now if we jump over to GitHub, do a quick refresh, we can see that our Echo app code is now here. We open that up in the source folder. We see our Echo Java and our Echo test with that extra carriage return that we just put in there. And just to make sure that this is working properly, let's go to our Echo class and add a new comment. We'll say commit to GitHub repo. Save that change, which now makes it show up in our unstaged changes. We'll move it down to staged changes. We'll add a commit message, added a comment to the Java class. And we will commit and push. And we have a successful push to that GitHub repo. Let's double check it. We'll refresh this Java class file. And there's our new comment, commit to GitHub repo. So you can imagine if we were working with a team with multiple team members, we could have just shared our updates with those other team members who could then pull them down and see what changes the other developers on the team have made. That concludes our demo here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next demo.